Well, it's supposed to rain. Everyone keeps saying it's gonna rain, but I have a weird feeling it's gonna be sunny out. We've seen it before, and I mean, so far it's looking a little sunny right now. We'll see what happens.
For this year's backcountry ski trip, I headed up to Mount Baker with my friends Ethan, Adam, and Dylan. With steady precipitation and temperatures constantly hovering right around 32 degrees Fahrenheit, we were treated to a true Pacific Northwest experience.
Yeah. Low visibility, heavy snow. It was a little frustrating getting started, but super excited to do this run. The snow seems a little lighter. I'm just happy to be out here. Woo!
After our first run, the snow started to die down a bit, so we put our skins back on and headed up again to check out a different zone. The temperature kept warming up, which made the snow really heavy and sticky and difficult to ski. So we decided it would be more worth our time to just settle down in one spot, build a jump, and spend the afternoon trying some new tricks.
Well, like I said, it's looking quite nice. It's just you gotta listen to me more. We stay safe, listen to Dylan. yeah, I'm going. Yeah!
The next day was finally supposed to be much colder, but instead we woke up to this. We still drove up the mountain, but we made sure to keep a close eye on the temperature as we gained elevation. And unfortunately, the rain never turned to snow.
The mountain is telling us not to go to our spot where we're planning on going. And it's really upsetting, but that's just what happens out here. So we're just gonna have a low-key day somewhere, not here though.
We drove back down to the valley and tried to entertain ourselves at home.
Over under 40 on that TV.
Wide or diagonal?
Wide.
Under 25 plus. Does it count where the screen is or the?
It's the end of the end of the thing.
13 inches and 3/4.
38.5. Oof.
I knew it.
As the day went on, the temperature started to drop and the rain finally turned to snow.
Setting 1, setting 2. Quite bright. Ow.
We packed up all our gear and prepared for a very early start for our final day.
Good morning. Wow, that is magnificent. No way. No way. Oh my god.
We took in the amazing view and then quickly transitioned for a golden hour run.
It's so light here.
Yeah!
Once we had gotten tired of skinning, we ate lunch and then looked for another spot to build a jump.
Looking like a good afternoon for a chill booter. How you feeling?
Dylan? Peanut butter and jelly. Feeling good.
I had this great idea to build a tunnel in the in-run, which they all thought was just really dumb, but joke's on them for not recording audio.
No, it's cool, dude. The tunnel. I totally get it. I see the vision.
They were right in the end though.
No!
The sun was quickly going down, so we put some finishing touches on the jump and got right to it.
Yeah, Ethan. Yeah, dude. Yeah!
We then packed up and skinned back out to the car, putting an end to an imperfect but still very successful trip in the mountains.
We're gonna tour back out of this little slurry, get back up to the top, and
What was that word?
yeah, what was that word?
Could you say it again? I don't think I heard it.
You really want to know what you're doing in the backcountry. You're bringing fish to eat.
Dude, it's just healthy and it's good for your
Not
mind.
this peanut butter and jelly junk.
My pole broke, my binding broke, and I almost lost the drone. That was all I have to say.
Can I just say, it's a really good day.
Best part of the trip.
Our video is sponsored by Tim's Special Batch Sasquatch Surprise Potato Chips. Makes your feet bigger.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.